let's start the game. This is the battle between ATC versus CSAP. Verse 5. Pass to number 26, Delale. Nilabas kay number 24 to number 22. Pass to number 5. Binalik kay number 24 to number 26. 4 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Save ball. 9-second shot clock. Number 22, pass to number 5. 5-second shot clock. Number 17 to number 3, pull up, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 5, ay number 00. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throw by number 3. First try, no good. Second throw. No basket ulit. Rebound na number 1. 14 to shoot. 10. Number 5. Pass to number 24, Mari. Turnover. Seize up ball. Number 01, turned up, 2 points. Number 5, nagbababa ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasa, pinasa sa gitna, nabitawan, nakuha ni number 17. Number 17 nagmamadali, pull up, 2 points by number 17. Number 5. Dwayne Discarto, binalik sa number 22 to number 5, for 8 to shoot, to number 24, Mali for 3 points by number 24, Mali. Number 17, nagbababa ng bola. pass to number 1. Binalik sa number 17 to number 922 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1 to number 1. 0-1. Sumalaksak, nabitawan, pero may foul. Foul number 26. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 second shot lang. No good. Rebound by number 26. Nagmamadali. Pinaas sa number 5. Sumalaksak. Pinaas sa labas. Ulit kay number 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 0-0. 2 points by number 0-0. Sabi injury. Number 922 nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 01. Molino. Pass to number 17. Fake. Sumalaksak. 2 points. Foul counted pa. May sumabit. Foul number 26. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Tatlo na.
Bonus free throw, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 5. Nagbababa ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0-0. 2 points by number 0-0. Number 17. Nagmamadali. Pass break. Masyadong malakas. Turnover. ATC.
Wala, nabunot. Nabunot.
Wala, malasa na ako ni Sid. Lagi ako. Nagdadalawa na ako.
Mamaya, sir. Mamaya, sir.
Ano, nawala? Nawala yung ito ko namatay.
Sir, huwag dyan, ha? Wala.
Foul number 1. First personal foul. First team foul.
Kala ko nga sir, alas 2 eh. Pumunta ako doon.
Rebound by number 17. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 1 to number 01. Layup. Pasa pala yun pero wala. Steal by number 17 to number 1. Binalik sa number 17. Nagpasahan. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Rebound by number 01. Pull up. No good. Pero may foul. Foul number 22. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty.
Sab! Hey! Chase 5.
Chase 5.
Gano'n mo lang muna yung sir, Juan, pre. Oo. Hindi, saka ano naman namin, may record na dito. Kami minsan nag-ano. Solicitor. Pinaumonitor niya kung nagdo-doble na. Pre, ito tayo sir, Juan, kasama.
Second through. Basket. Sub.
Kaya nga eh.
Number 28 dribbling the ball. Binababa ang bola. Setting the play. Pass to number 15. Binalik kay number 02 to number 28. To number 06. Number 06. Pass to number 2. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound ulit na number 24. Pass to number 88.
Labo ah.
Number 22 fake. Pinasa ulit kay number 28 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 35. To number 02. Number 28 nabitawan. Nakuha niya ulit. 14 to shoot. Foul. Number 88. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throw. Two points. Ayun, basket.
Buti dumating yung magaling mo.
Yung laro, si Ma. Yung laro. Ulang sana yan, si Ma.
Number 7 to number 21. 14 to shoot. To number 22. Sumalaksak. Pull up, no good. To number, rebound by number 35. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Number 28. Crossover. Nabitawan. Nakuha. Nakuha niya ulit. Pull up, no good. Number 7. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Steal by number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 35. Layup, no good. Nakuha ulit ni number 35. No good ulit. Sa kanya pa rin. Tinira, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 1. Number 7. $14 to shoot. Nakalusot, pero wala. Rebound by number 22. Pull up, 2 points. Number 28, Pasqua, dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot, setting the play. Pass to number 06. Fake, pull up, no good. Rebound by number 22. To number 7, crossover. Nababa bola, nagmamadali. Nilay-up, malakas. Follow up, no good. To number 88, 2 points.
Ilan lahat yan, sir?
Number 28 to number 35 to number 6. Pinasa kay number 2 for 3, no good.
Nakasibigan, sir. Wala uniform.
Number 7, pass quick to number 22. Uwikot. Tinira, no good, pero may foul.
Pasuotin mo na, sir.
Foul number 6, 06. First personal foul, first team, penalty.
Nawubulol ah.
Gawa na ang kasama mo. Hindi ka salay. May edit dyan.
Agat yan.
Second throw. No good, rebound by number 2. Number 2 nagmamadali. Pinasa number 06. 14 to shoot. To number 35, third drop, 2 points. Number 7 to number 27. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 88, nagano papasahan sa ilalim. To number 88, umikot, tinira, 2 points. Number 06, dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 02, pull up. No good.
Rep in taas.
White ball. Libre, 2 points by number 24. Nice pass by number 88. Number 28, pass one. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot, pass to number 02. To number 06, fake, 8 to shoot. To number 35, 5. Good. No good, rebound by number 15. Foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 23 seconds. Shot clock off. Five. End of the first quarter with a score of 10-17 in favor of C-South.
Yung pag na-fixer yung player nila, mga fourth quarter.
Wala sila dyan.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Blessing lang din to eh. Kasi kahit mag-third, fourth sila, palit sila sa quarterfinal.
Second quarter, number 70.
Hindi, tama lang yan. Hindi naman galing niya sa lima eh. 17 eh. Hindi loss.
To number 19, tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by number, put back by number 70. 2 points. 13 pala. Javier. Number 36. Napitawan.
Asawa niya si Gini, di ba?
Same ball. 15 second shot clock. Still by number 17 to number 13, 2 points. Back-to-back 2 points by number 13, Javier. Number 15, taking the play, pass to number 08, Galido. To number 41, pull up, no good, rebound ni number 13 to number 17. Nagmamadali. To number 13 ulit, naghahanap ng mapapasahan to number 17. 8 to shoot, still by number 41. Pass to number 38. Ginugulo. Binalik sa number 08. Number 08, sinalaksak layup, no good. Rebound by number 13. Number 17 to number 1, libre, 2 points. By number 1. Number 15, pass to number 38, to number 41 sa gilid, pull up, no good. Rebound ni number 30, to number 17. Pass break ulit sa number 11, number 32, nabitawan, turnover. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 08 to number 50 ulit. Foul number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining. Number 15. Pinasa sa lalim. No good. Rebound ni number 13. To number 1. Pass to number 18 to number 1 ulit. Sinalaksak. Still by number 15. Number 15. Nagbababa ng bola. Fade. Pass to number 08. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 13. To number 17. Tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by number 08. To number 15. Number 15. Mikot. Offensive foul by number 15. Number 15, first personal foul. First team foul.
Ay, baliktad.
Number 32. To number 13 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. To number 08. To number 17, layup, no, 2 points. By number 17. Number 32 to number 17. Nice pass, pero na steal by number 41. Number 08 na bababa ng bola. Tinas sa lalim, nakalibre, 2 points by number 41.
Lahat ng mga players natin,
Number 1.
Napapasok naman.
To number 32, to number 17, to number rebound din number 1. 10 to shoot, to number 13, to number 17, 5 second shot clock. No good. Rebound ulit ni number 13. Put back, no good, pero may foul. Change 5, change 5.
Dumating. Pag 50 na yan. Sana wala na para magpasok dito. Pasok mo na yan, sir, ha? Palit mo dito sa 30 na. 30 lalabas mo, sir.
Oo, panibago.
Ito ba yung bago?
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na, boss.
wait ko.
Second free throw by number 30. Basket. Sub break.
Sa iba yan, o, provide mo na. So, kahit taas na. Pag provide po ninyo, okay lang. Huwag lang ay, sumot isa.
Dalawa.
Foul number 3. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Second na yan, Dren. Second. Kahit yung pambaba. May offensive foul.
Pag yung team niya, wala
Offensive
tayo
foul.
report. Ganun muna, wala.
Dalawa na yan. Dalawa. Team foul. Ano last foul dito?
Ah, dito pala yan. Dito first. First dito, offensive.
Pero kung taas talaga, tapos the rest meron, yun kung nasa dito. Pero kung ganyan, wala.
Number 20 to number turnover. Number 5. dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24, Mali for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 01. Pinasa ilalim, masyadong mataas. Turnover, green ball. Number 5. Pass to number 26. Say, sumalaksak na layup. 2 points by number 26. Number 18, pass to number 01. Pinas sa number 20, Mikot, layup, 2 points. Number 00, pass to number 1. Number 5 to number 02, pull up, no good, rebound by number 20. Pass to number 3. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to 9-2-2. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to 9-2-2. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 26. To number 02. Nice pass. 2 points by number 5.
0-2. 0-2.
Number 80, ginugulo. 12 seconds to shoot. 9-2-2. Pasa pala yun. Block by number 00 to 9-2-2. 2 points. Ganda ng ikot. Time out. ETC. Score 19-31 in favor of
9-2-2.
Pwede siya hindi after na siya.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Pre, Ebit, mamaya magpapaprint tayo ng complete
Oo.
uniform ha. Meron na. Huwag lang talaga yung pantasang wala, no? Uniform na.
Number 5, pass to number 24 for 3. 2 points by number 24, Mali. Number 18 to number 01, 2 points. Nice pass by number 18. Number 02, sumalaksak, nilayap, no good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 18. Pass way to 9-2-2, nakalibre, 2 points by number 9-2-2. Number 26, pull up, 2 points. Traveling violation.
Buti narinig yung sigaw ni Sir.
Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 26, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 18 to number 20, pull up, no good. Sa kanya ulit, number 20, tinira ulit. 2 points by number 20. 45 seconds. Number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound ni number 01. Number 01, nagmamadali. 2 points by number 01. Save ball. Time Timeout. ATC. Time remaining 24 seconds. Back to the ball game. Number 5, pass number 02, pull up, no good, rebound knee. Number 3, 14 seconds, 10 seconds, 5, and it's the second quarter. Ref, may technical free throw po tayo in complete uniform. Isang free throw po dito.
One free throw.
Ready mo, hindi na.
Captain ball nila, captain ball.
Ilolo. One free throw po tayo sa mga naka-grade for technical incomplete uniform sa white.
One free throw lang dito. Ah, dito.
Hindi ka mawag sa mata.
Matangkad na kalaro dito. Yung matangkad kanya na kalaro yung kapay mo kanya. Bawal ka muna pa.
0-1. Oh.
Matangkad yung kapay yung bata. Yung number 17.
Mamaya po. Sino muling nakalaro? Papalitan ko.
Pero sir, kasi...
Hindi na makakalaro ng ano. Makakalaro. Nakularo ko na ng iba. Next time na ulit. Ah, sir, naka-record. Papalitan yung limang goro, di ba?
Basta nakakalaro na ako kahit sino nakapag
Wala na kalipatan ng ano na eh.
Ano yan, ano yan?
Next quarter na eh.
Dimenes, sir, kapag ano yung mas, para hindi ka nalilito, sir.
Ano yung malaman mo?
Ano yan? Kasi gusto ko yung matangkad kasi ako yung bata, yung video number 17. Naglaro yan nung nakaraan. Siyempre sobrang lang sila eh. Pwede ba sir maglaro? Basta nakalaro?
Hindi, ano lang sila, saktong 20 sila. Ay, 20, ano lang sila? 16. 16 lang sila hanggang 20 minutes maglaro.
Pero yung matangkad hindi siya. Matangkad yung...
Hindi, ang hindi nila pwede maglaro ngayon sa third, 9-2-2, kasi kalalaro lang nila, number 3, 0-1, 20 sa 18. Okay?
Sa inyo nakapasok.
Yan. Palit lime. Sa inyo, yung, basta yung liman yung last na naglaro, yun hindi pwede ngayon.
Nakalaro na lang.
Para malalabas na.
Lahat naman nakalaro na. Basta palitan lang ang buong lima lang.
Hindi pwede yan, sir. Yan.
Okay, back to the ball game, third quarter.
Yan, yung mga yan. Si 13, okay.
Number 17 to number 28 for 3. No good. Rebound knee. number 15, pass to number 35. Binalik sa number 13. 10 second shot clock. 5. Steal. Nakapit. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock. Shot clock. Violation. Number 7. Pass number 24 pull up, no good. Nakuha niya ulit, tinira, no good pa rin pero may foul. Foul number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good pa rin. Rebound ni number 13. 10 to shoot. Number 22 for 3, no good. Nakuha number 24. Still by number 22. Number 22 nakapik. Nakuha niya pa rin. Pass to number 17. Sumalaksak. No good pero may foul. Foul number 88.
Pre, pa.
88. Ah.
Second.
Number 88, second personal foul, first team foul. Second throw by number 17. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 7. Number 7, crossover. Pass to number 88 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 17. Nabitawan. Nag-aagawan. Nakuha ni foul. May foul tayo. Foul number 88. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 28. Sumalaksak ni layup. No good. Rebound ni number 15. Nakuha ni. Nag-aagawan. 8 ball. Number 7. Pass to number 13 to number 7 ulit. Binalik to 1 game. By number 13. Sumalaksak. May sumabit.
Ilang foul na yun?
Foul number 22. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 88. 10 to shoot to number 13. To number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Green ball. Number 26. Binababa ang bola. Number 26. To number 35 sa gitna. Sumalaksak. Nilihap. Block by number 24. Number 7. Number 7. Sumalaksak. Pinasa number 88. No good. Rebound number 13. 14 to shoot. To number 88 ulit. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Ginugulo. Steal by number 7. To number 88. Nice pass by number 7. 2 points by number 88. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Sinalaksak. Tinira. Wala. Rebound by number 88. To number 7. Libre. Libre. Pero nabitawan. Turnover. Number 22, setting the play. Pinasa sa gitna sa number 35, nabitawan ni number 17, kick ball. Number 35, 10 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number 24. Nakuha ulit ni number 35. Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 13. To number 17. Number 7. Di nagkaintindihan. Great ball. Turnover. Number 28. Pass to number 22. Julian. Generator. 2 points by number 22. Change 5. Number 27. Pass to number, steal by number 5. Libre ni layup pero wala. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 18. To number 27 ulit. To number 1, 01. 14 to shoot. Number 18 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 00. Number 00, nagmamadali. Sinalaksak ni layup, wala pa rin. Nakuha ulit ni number 00. 2 points by number 00. Number 17. Velasco, dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot to number 01. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17 to number 27, nabitawan. Ginugulo, 5. Shot clock violation, turnover. Nice defense by ETC.
Sige po.
Number 5. Pass to number 41. Rebound by number 00. Time out, face off.
27 first break.
Number 27, first personal foul. Third team foul. Back to the ball game, 2 free throw. By number 00. First throw, 2, no good. Second throw. No good. White ball. Number 17. Pinababang ball. Pass to number 18 to number 1. Still by number 41. Number 41 to number 26. Binalik. Nabitawan. Nakuha ulit number 41. 2 points by number 41. Number 17. Saving the play. Naghanap ng mapapasahan to number 1. Number 1, pull up. 2 points by number 1. Number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 41. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 00. Wala, pero may foul. Foul number 1. 01. Ay, number 1.
One lang?
Ah,
Number 1 lang.
One, dalawa na.
number 1, second personal foul. 14th foul. Warning for penalty. Then to shoot, still by number 17. Nagmamadali, nilay-up, no good. Rebound by number 26. Nabitawan, nakuha na number 1. Nilay-up, no good pa rin. Block by number 5. Nakuha ni number 18. Shot clock violation. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24, Mali. Number 24, Mali. Dribbling the ball. Pass sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 27. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Time remaining. Rebound by number 00. Pass to number 5. Number 5, nabitawan. Same ball. Natapik. Still by number 17. Time remaining 1 minute. Number 27. Pass to number 1 to number 17. Block by number 41. Nakuha ulit ni number 1. 3 to shoot. 3 points by number 17. Thirty seconds. Nice pass by number 00 pero wala. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 18. 20 seconds. Time remaining 20 seconds. Number 5. Pinababa ang ball. 15 seconds. 10, number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 26, 5 seconds. Offensive foul by number 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Time remaining. Number 5. 2 points by number 5. And the third quarter, with a score of 34-46 in favor pa rin sa CSAP. CSAP. Or back to the world game, fourth and final quarter. Number 7. Pass to number 01. To number 92243. No good. Rebound by number 01. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Sumalaksak. Pinaka sa labas sa number number 7. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 41. Mariano. Number 41. Layup no good. Rebound by number 01. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumalaksak na layup. No good. Foul number 5. Sabrep. Number 41 out. Number 00 in. Number 5. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throw by number 7. First throw, very good. Basket ang pangalawang free throw. Number 22, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 02. To number 5. Nakuha niya ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 922. Binalik sa number 7 to number 01, pull up, no good, rebound ni number 13, likot, save ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, pinasa gitna sa number 0-0, binalik sa number 22. Sinalaksak ni layup. 2 points by number 22. 11 na lang ang kalamangan ng mga naka-orange. Number 7, Velasco. 2 points by number 13. Again. Number 22. Pass to number 5. Steal by number 22. Number 20. Pass to number 7. Sinalaksak. Pinasa ilalim sa number 13. Nice pass. 2 points by number 13. Number 26, nabitawan, steal by number 20. Number 01, 2 points by number 92. Back to the ball game. Last 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Number 20, nagpababa ng bola. To number 24, Mali. Binalik sa number 28, binalik sa number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound number 00 to number 22, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 17. Biyaya sa number 1 to number 13. Natay mo kape, binalik sa number 17 to number 7 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 20. Layup, 2 points by number 20. 20 na ang kalawangan ng mga naka-orange. Number 28. Pass to number 22. Dribbling the ball. Crossover. Sinalaksak. Tinira. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 17 to number 1. Sinalaksak. 2 points by number 1.
70.
Rebound by number 13. Pass break to number 20. 2 points. Nice pass by number 17. Number 28 to number 22. 14 to shoot. To number 02. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Steal by number 17. To number 1. Libre. Inilabas. Binalik sa number 7. 2 points by number 7. Number 17. Pass to number 20. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 00. Time out. CSAF. Last 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Still by number 00. Pass to number 24 to number 5. 2 points by number 5. Nice assist by number 24. Still ulit na number 26. Pass to number 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. 2 points by number 5. Still ulit na number 00. To number 00. Layup. 2 points. Foul number 00. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 18 to number 19. 14 second shot clock. Two points by number 3. Number 22. Leaving the ball. Pass to number 00. To number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 00 for 3. No good. Ay, bounce. 3 points by number 00. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 00, third personal foul, third team foul. First through basket. Second throw basket ulit. Number 00 for 3. No good. Nice pass. Blocked by number 26. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. 2 points by number 18. Two points by number 26. Same ball. Same ball pa rin. Number 5. Natabing number 18. Same ball. Last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Number 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Steal by number 18. Lay up 2 points. Last 1 minute. Nakuha ulit ni number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18 ulit. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 24 for 3. 3 points by number 24, Mali. Last 30 seconds. 3 points by number 22. Last 20 seconds. Zero octane. And end of the ball game.
Number 13, defensive na best player. Bro, pagkatapos na.
Number 24, Mali. Defensive 3 points. And number 13, best player of the game and defensive player of the game.
Nalo eh, na Colto.
Next game, Boys PS versus PSCFP. Warm up.
Naglupat kayo na. Nag-try ko luga. Orasan nyo lang. Ilan sir? 10 minutes sir?